The Significance of Being, written by Felipe Bautista. ¿Qué significa ser? Ser significa estar de ti incurablemente enamorado. Ser significa la vista de tu figura. Perhaps the most profound question askable by the philosopher is that, concerning the significance of being, though it seems at once the easiest to satisfactorily answer, since one cannot pose a question insofar as one is not. Viz., being is inseparable from rather than a mystery to one. One must already be to introduce questions. Berkeley, of course, famously postulated that to be is to be perceived, nor does Ouroboros solipsism wish to take issue here with Berkeley, only to make more precise the Berkeleyan postulation. Viz., to be is to perceive oneself. That is, Ouroboros solipsism, or Ouroboros egoism, as those who have acquainted themselves with it already will no doubt be aware, suggests that all I can perceive or interact with is myself. Namely, just as when I'm dreaming all I'm doing is encountering my own consciousness activity, so too when I am in the so-called waking state, I interact with only my own consciousness activity. All bodies, together with the space in which they are, must be considered nothing but mere representations in one, and exist nowhere but in one's thoughts, as notes Kant in the Prolegomena. The distinction between so-called dreaming and so-called waking consciousness is entirely conceptual, not at all substantial, a distinction in words only, not in fact. Jung spoke of how the unconscious expresses itself symbolically in dreams or fantasies, nor does the Ouroboros solipsist philosopher necessarily disagree with this Jungian sentiment, offering only an extension of it. Namely, since dreaming and waking variants of consciousness are ontologically the same, in the sense that each involves only consciousness engaging with its own immanent Vorstellungen, eo ipso to be conscious in general, that is, tout court, is for the unconscious to be expressing itself symbolically. Tattvam ase, the Ouroboros solipsist interprets not figuratively, but rather literally. What signifieth to be born again? To be born again, it signifieth the sight of thy countenance, signifieth the grace of thy movements. To be born again, yea, beeth feeling that I have seen the moonlight for the first time when thy figure behold I. What in turn signifieth to be? In turn, to be signifieth that being irremediably swept away into some ineffable sea of an unfathomably rapturous love upon the sight of thee. That is, how thou permeates even mine every minute drop of blood.